welcome to another Dynasty Central Snaps, where we rip a bowl and we rip open a pack. And here we go with another 21-22 Series 2 hockey retail. Alec Martinez, Kelvin DeHaan, Vladislav Gavrikov, Jamie Oleksiak. We got a checklist Young Guns of Moritz Seider and Lucas Raymond.
I like it a lot.
Actually, the first time I've pulled a Young Gun Moritz Seider actually has to be the Wish shared with Lucas Raymond. It's okay, I'll take it though out of a blaster. We got Victor Olofsson, Connor Murphy, and Schusterkin. So that was a great Dynasty Central Snaps where we rip a pack, rip a bowl. We got a Young Guns of Moritz Seider and Lucas Raymond, the checklist of Series 2. Yeah, a fantastic pull, and there it is. All right, well, thank you for watching this episode of Dynasty Central Snaps. Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video. And yeah, love to hear from you. And thank you for supporting the channel. Remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you later.